Do you want to know how you can make money looking like this? Bedhead, and I've already made $100 today. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you the beginner's way to making money.
All right, Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'm going to be walking you through not just one set of bonuses, but I'm going to be giving you two sets of bonuses if you decide to grab the lockdown formula through the link in the description below. Help me get rid of this crazy hair. I'm just kidding. I can't even get it cut. All right, so this bonus package is $2,795. This is going to be automatically included when you grab the lockdown formula. So bonus number one is the Cougar commissions. This will give them a slightly more advanced method when they are ready to scale up. Okay, so it's going to take the lockdown formula, right, which is going to teach you how to make money as, you know, a beginner, and then this is going to take that to the next level and teach you how to scale it and how to make it more advanced. Okay, so bonus number two is going to be your leopard lists. This will show you how to set up a list using giveaway products. Okay, so this is one of the best ways to get people onto your email list is by giving away products, offering them, you know, a free bonus or whatever to get them onto your email list, right? That way, you know, somebody subscribes, they get value, and then obviously you get them on your email list, which is value for you. So it's like a win-win situation. And then bonus number three is your Eagle emails. Okay, this is going to teach you how to email to those new members that get on your email list. All right, because there's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way to do it. So obviously we want to be focusing on the right way to market to your new members. All right, so that is bonus package number one, and let's jump into bonus package number two before I actually show you guys the back office of the lockdown formula and how this is going to make you money during this lockdown. All right, so these bonuses I've put together to help you promote this formula. Okay, so once you go out there and you implement the lockdown formula, these bonuses are going to help you get more sales. All right, so bonus number one is a $197 value. This is going to be Instabot. This is one of my favorite Instagram softwares. It's going to teach you how to automate your Instagram to start generating traffic to whatever product or service that you want. All right, bonus number two is your automated affiliate stores. Okay, this is going to be a little additive which is going to help you get more of those email subscribers, which will in turn help you promote these new lockdown formula systems or sales funnels that you go out there and create. Okay, so this is going to help you generate sales and generate leads by creating automated affiliate stores. All right, this is a free bonus valued at $197. And again, remember, all of these bonuses are going to be sent to you the second you grab the lockdown formula for only $9. So you're getting a ton of value, and if you love free products, make sure give this video a thumbs up. Next bonus is a $97 value, and this is going to be your super affiliate secret. Okay, so this is going to teach you some of our super affiliate secrets, which are going to help you make more sales. Okay, so like I said, everything is piled on top of that lockdown formula, so you can go out there, use the lockdown formula, and then take our advanced methods to make even more money. Bonus number four is going to be your affiliate accelerator. This is a $197 value, and this is going to teach you some more beginner methods on how to actually make sales when it comes to affiliate marketing. All right, so all of these bonuses, like I said, are all intertwined. They all work together. They all support each other. None of them are going to make you lose focus, right? Everything is going to help you have laser focus so that you can make amazing commissions and amazing profits with this training. And last but not least, this is the banger, right? I love saying that. Your automated viral traffic. This is going to help you get traffic to these new lockdown formula systems that you're going out there and creating for different products, right? Because every time, you know, you promote a new product, you're going to set up a new sales funnel, and then this is going to help you get viral traffic to that sales funnel so that you can make commissions with that one particular offer. All right, this is a $297 value. So with that being said, those are all the bonuses covered. So let's jump into exactly what the lockdown formula is, what you're going to learn from it and why I believe it's going to help you make money during this lockdown. So let's jump into it. All right, welcome to the lockdown formula. Now in this part of the video, I'm going to be walking you through the back office, everything that you're going to get, and if you want to get access to this training or any of my bonuses, there'll be a link in the description below where you can pick up the lockdown formula. Now in short form, exactly what this is, it is a beginner's guide to creating income through affiliate marketing. Okay, so what you see on this channel, the methods that you see, me going through to generate sales, this is going to break that down into a step-by-step guide. Okay, what is going to happen is it's going to give you an introduction into affiliate marketing. It's going to show you affiliate marketing sites where you can actually go get affiliate links so that you can start making money. It also has a software. This is pretty cool too. These are some bonuses here, but it has a software which you can use to build landing pages. Okay, so you don't have to go out there and purchase any other software. You don't have to do anything like that. Everything that you need is included in this training for only $9. Okay, so the price is continuously growing. It is a dime sale, so you want to make sure that you grab that down below before the price goes up. And again, you'll be able to get all of the bonuses that I went over in the start of this video absolutely free. They'll get sent to your back office when you pick up the lockdown method. Okay, so it's going to break down all of the steps, setting up your landing pages, finding offers, how to get approved for offers, stuff like that. And then there's some pretty cool additives to this. Okay, so there's the Tiger's traffic. This is 10 different methods to get free traffic. Okay, so you get your method 1, method 2, method 3. So it's going to break down all of these different methods: Facebook, Quora, classified ads, blogging, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, email signatures, all of these different methods that us experienced marketers are going out there and implementing. And maybe you've been marketing for a while and you haven't tried any of these methods. This is going to give you some new ways to get traffic, because I've been marketing for 3 years now, almost 4 years, and I'm always finding new ways to get traffic. I'm always finding new formulas to make money, and that's why I continuously go through these products. Even though I know how to make sales, even though I know how what needs to be done, right, I still go through these products, because every single time that you learn something, it's going to give you another secret weapon in your tool belt, which you can then go out and use to modify and to tweak your method to increase the amount of sales that you get. Okay, and then there's a few bonuses which is going to be in here as well. So it's going to be Cougar commissions. This is how you're going to learn how to scale your commissions and scale your earnings. That's a pretty cool bonus. You're going to have your leopard list. I really like the cool like the animal names that they put on this formula, which is pretty cool. So this is going to teach you how to build a list and give away courses for free. Okay, that's a pretty cool secret list building method. And then your Eagles emails. Okay, so this is going to teach you how to properly market to your new subscribers. All right, because if you're brand new, you might not know what emails you want to be sending out or anything like that. So this is going to teach you, like I said, everything that you need is in here. How to find affiliate offers, how to set up landing pages, how to go out there and convert those subscribers into leads, how to follow up with those subscribers. Everything that you need is already in this formula, and it's the perfect name because we all have the time, the lockdown formula. So why not make some money from promoting these? And that's one of the biggest reasons why I started doing reviews again. If you guys want to see more reviews, I'll leave a little card up here to go to the Six Figure Marketers Club. That is a playlist that I've set up where I'll be reviewing all of these products, where I'll be giving away bonuses. So if at any time you see one of these products and you're like, hey, I want to learn from that, or I want to learn this method, you grab that method below. You'll get all my bonuses. You'll get access to me where you can learn exactly what I'm doing, and then I can help you guys make money. Okay, and then of course there's a bunch of unadvertised bonuses here, which you can look at when you actually grab the lockdown formula. All right, so that is it. I'm not going to keep it super long. I don't want these videos to be crazy long, so I hope you guys got some value from this. Again, if you you guys want to get started, hit the link in the description below. And if you guys want to see my newest video, it will be up on this page right here somewhere. So make sure, hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I launch a new product or I come out with a new crypto formula. And I'll see you in the next video.